Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with Mommy's Designs. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. In this video today, I'm going to show you guys how to etch a champagne glass with bride and groom. And I also have them in Spanish for novia and novio. These are for you, those of you who do not know, these are stencils made personalized with the ikonart kit. And the ikonart kit, if you go to ikonart.com, here's a code that you can use so that you get a discount on your order. You get 15% off your total order, and you can check out the items that are needed to create these stencils and the whole kit that you can buy if you think you can use it. I use it as a small business, but I also use it for my friends and family. So, you know, you can use it for either or. Another thing that you can do if you don't want to purchase the kit, if you're not ready for that, you can try it out and you can buy the stencils alone as a group, the bride and the groom, or the novio and the novia. And I'm going to have a listing on my eBay account, and I'm going to put the link in the description box. So for this video, you guys are going to need your glasses. These are glasses that I have videos that I made before. You guys can go check them out, or I can go ahead and put a link of them right on the screen. This is for the groom and for the bride. This is also for the groom and for the bride. And on this white one, once it's done, I'm going to go ahead and put some tulle, just like this one. Here's another one that I got for bride and groom. All the bridesmaids, let me take this aside. All the bridesmaids were wearing this kind of pink, so I did for the bride and for the groom. So for this video, you're going to need, of course, your glasses, and you're going to need your stencils. You're going to need a squeegee. And I found this one is a silicone one, and I really like it for this purpose. It's really, really handy, and I got it at the Dollar Tree. Okay, and then you need etchall etching cream. And I also have a video that talks about the difference between etchall and armor. So if you want to check that, you can also do that. Okay, so basically what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and grab our glass. I have this little thing that I made just on a day where I was traveling with my glasses, and I purchased this, and it's been helping me a lot. So we're going to go ahead and do the groom. The stencil comes in these two parts, and you're going to separate them. But what you do, like when you buy them or when you make them, you cut a piece on any corner so that when you wash it and put it back, you know where it goes. And I don't think I said this, but these stencils you can use over and over and over again. So that's that right there is a money savings. So we're gonna find a place where it doesn't interfere with the stones. So here we go. We need to make sure that there are no gaps where the etching cream may go through to the other parts of the glass. So we gotta make sure that it's well set. Okay, here we go. This is the groom. We're gonna set it aside, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the bride. I really like this font because it has the eye has a heart. And then the beginning of the letter has a heart. Every like capital letter has a heart at the beginning of the word, so I really like that. So then we have this here. So now what we're gonna do, you can do it two different ways, and I'm gonna do, I think, one of each so that you can see the results. On the bride one, we're going to go ahead and use a brush, a tiny brush. So you're going to go ahead and apply your cream, and make sure you apply enough. Any cream that is not dry, you can squeegee it and then put it back in the jar. You can reuse it again. Okay, so you go ahead and add plenty of it. And we're gonna go ahead and set it aside. And then we get the groom. And this one, I'm gonna do it with the squeegee. So I'm gonna use the brush to pour it. And then I'm gonna use the squeegee to put it in place. So you make sure that it gets inside. You're gonna press, not hard, but a little firm. Be a little firm with it. Another way that you can also do them, it's you can do the etching first and then do the glass. I always have glasses ready in case I get like a order that it needs to be done right away. So I always have some glasses, and those are the ones that I'm using right now. But if it's an order that you get with enough time, you can do the etching first and then you can do the decoration. So here are my 2 glasses already done. We're gonna go ahead and let them sit for 15 minutes and we'll see you back. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and do the novio and the novia. See you back. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and now we're gonna go ahead and start putting back the cream that it's still on the stencil, and then we're gonna go take it to wash. So all this cream, you can reuse it. So it was quite a few amount that I was able to recycle. See, like all of these here, I was able to recycle. So let's move to the sink so I can rinse them and also show you how I take care of my stencils. When you buy the kit to make your own stencils, that comes with this. So then pretty much what you do, let's go ahead and rinse them. We need to be careful so we don't get this side wet. So I'm gonna put it upside down. So you just kind of rinse them, rinse the edge trim out of it, and then you pull it out. And I'm gonna put these on the side so that I can show you how I do the stencil. So I have my little plastics right here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it just like that, and then I'm gonna put it right in here on the board, and I'm gonna use my same squeegee. Let me rinse it. So I'm gonna use the same squeegee, and I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of, like this, any water residue. And then this thing has a hole. I have a nail in my office, and I put a towel underneath, and I just let them dry, and they're ready to be reused. So now let's go to the real meaning of the video, which is the etching. So let me dry it a little bit. This one is already done. We're going to dry it up. And here you go. Right here. Okay. Let me see if I can bring it closer so you can see it. There it is. Really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Okay, so that's the way it looks. I usually sell them the set of the 2 for $24.99. So for now, you guys, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.